Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful Sunday. The sun is shining outside, and I just want to say that I'm back home. So in today's episode, I just want to clean my bedroom, which hasn't been cleaned for 3 months. I locked my bedroom this time while I traveled, and I've been having this linen shortly before I traveled to Norway. So I think from a woman point of view, I think it's good to just reset, clean linen, clean the room and all that. So I'm gonna clean my bedroom, which I'm gonna show you before, and my bathroom, and then I'm gonna finish this video in the kitchen. Plus I did some shopping yesterday. I just wanna clean the fridge and arrange everything in order. Otherwise, I hope every one of you is doing great. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, feel most welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's do this. These linens here have been in this bed for the longest time, and and my suitcases are still down here. That is one suitcase, and that is the carry-on and all that. And one of my suitcases is missing again from KLM and Air France, Kenya, as all this Sky team, and it has not been tracked. So I've not set my mind to just unpack, but today I just want to remove all these suitcases inside the bedroom and clean it. So this is how it is. I think I've been eating a lot of candies. And I think I'm stressed a little bit. The sun is shining outside. It's a nice weather. My window glass is dirty, but that's not a big deal. So let's do this cleaning video. For the washroom, this is how my washroom looks like, most people. This is this mat and to sleep, and that's one. My toilet is very dirty. My sink real close up will tell you that it is very dirty. Everything. Plus these are dirty clothes. I have to take that out at some point. And my shower area was leaking, and the floor around it is not so good. So I'm gonna do a lot of scrubbing. So it's just my bathroom and the bedroom and then kitchen, then we finish this video. So otherwise, enjoy the video and subscribe if you're visiting our channel for the first time. Let's do this.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving on me. Loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. I want your body too. Body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. I want your body too. Body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. I want your body too. Body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, miss misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time.
Sorry to my ex, you deserve more. Sorry to my ex-boss, but I'd rather stay poor. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. Yeah, maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. I guess you can never tell. You never know if you go to hell. When will these clouds go away? Turn into rain, and when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go away and turn into rain. Drinking way too much, drinks I can't afford. And I buy little things, wanna kick people out the door. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. Yeah, maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. I guess you can never tell. You never know if you'll go to hell. When will these clouds go away? Turn into rain, and when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go away and turn to rain. You say you burn forever now. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to the pain? You say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up.
And welcome back. Today is day 2 of doing my updated cleaning routine, my bedroom and the kitchen, which I would say that I didn't finish yesterday. Everything took time. It was really dirty. So today I'm gonna clean my fridge and the freezer. And what else? I've already cleaned the house for today, just a little cleanup. Then arrange it, and finally I'm gonna make that bed that I didn't make yesterday. So far, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you're visiting our channel for the first time, as usual, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let's do this. The fridge has been like that, I think, since my sister left. I was here with my sister. She used to stay here with me, but right now she got a job somewhere, so it's just me. It's the living alone diary. So I'm gonna clean that fridge, and after that I make the bed before the sun sets, because I'm filming with my GoPro, and at the same time trying to catch up with the natural light. This GoPro doesn't go well with these lights we have here. It's blinking and dancing. I don't know how to set that yet. So that's it. The day is good. It is almost 4 p.m. 5 minutes to 4. And I'm just doing my things at home. I've been busy in the past few days, but today I decided to finish this video. Maybe I don't finish, maybe I just make it a long vlog. I've never known how people do these vlogs, but I'm copying some of my favorite YouTubers that are giving me inspiration, because I think like you can't just take a whole day cleaning the whole house, and it's tiring. Yeah, so I'll be doing my video step by step, then clip them together, and then whatever I can post. Yeah, so let's go and clean the fridge. Yeah, I've washed the house. I'm just watching some of my video, and yeah, this is the guest bathroom, which I just finished washing now, and my room, that is how it is. Let's say it's still naked, and we will change that soon. So let's go and clean the fridge, which I hope will not take me much, because I'm thinking it's not so heavy. So the kitchen also is clean. I was doing some juicing yesterday, so I washed all my juicing parts here, and the machine is there. So, and this is the things we used for breakfast. Everything is just clean. So it's just to deal with this. At the moment, I'm only using this deep freezer from my fridge. Unlike when I decide to use this, which is stored here in the corner and it's not connected. It consumes a lot of electricity, so when I'm not around, I prefer to not let it. This is how my fridge is dirty, my people. That is, yeah. So I'm gonna just clean this quickly, then we finish in the bedroom. I'm gonna start with the deep freezer. I'm gonna remove everything, then just clean it visually, then take everything back before they thaw. Yeah. My friend said he bought me this cooked kienyeji. Yeah, I'll be eating it. That's the second half of it. It's really delicious. There's some frozen meat, and I have fish fillet from my friend Naomi. She's selling fish. I'll link her number on the bio so that you can buy fish fillet, all fish from her. She's located in Kangwari, so I'll post her contacts there. Apart from that, she's been supplying my family with fish while I haven't been around. And yeah, I just told them like this. Tilapia, Nile patch, whatever thing you want. Yeah. So some of the steamed vegetables. This is a nice juice, frozen. So what I'm gonna do, I'll switch the fridge off, then just start cleaning. This will be spread after that. I hope you enjoy, so that I don't bore you with talking too much.
Baby, you
can fight all day and make love at night, 'cause we always figure it out, don't we? Yeah. Yeah, we're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me, baby, you and me. You always leave me wanting more, baby. You and me were like the perfect storm, and you know that I can't get enough of you, no. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me. I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go, cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level, cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go, cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go, cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell
never knew what I really wanted. But looking back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me. But nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore? Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Teach me how to fall into the unknown. Whatever may come. Oh, nothing makes sense. Oh, nothing makes sense anymore.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get...
So I've done washing the fridge, and next we'll be fitting all these parts that I'm gonna do offline because my GoPro has gone off. Perhaps you're not gonna make the bed as I said before, because the sun has just decided to go down at 5 o'clock. It has not gone down, but I think it will rain, so it's a bit dark outside. It's dark. I don't know why my camera is lying, but for natural lighting, like, it is dark outside. Yeah. And this is how the room looks without light. So for now, I'm just gonna fit back the fridge parts compartment.
I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You
I just found out that the last parts of making this video wasn't filmed. And as much as I'm a big fan of the happy endings in regards to the before and after videos, unfortunately this one you won't see that. The video is coming a month later, and I can say that it was nice to put all this together as I work on being consistent. So if you've watched until this moment and you haven't subscribed, kindly do show us some love. We are on the journey to 3K subs. Lastly, I want to say thanks to our newest and the returning subscribers. We are happy to have you here. So until then, bye bye.
Still feel the way I feel. Are you see me with someone new, someone new, talking about my bad as like it ever mattered. You threw it away, and now you're looking back, wishing that we got buried. Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, did I ever really care? I don't think I did. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my